What's going on Facebook? Let's go live and check out the garden. If you guys want to take a walk through the garden with me, let's check it out. Look at that. 100 plants right in my backyard. We've done a lot of different things, as this is my first year gardening. Started with them closer together, spread them out, and made better rows and better spacing. Then added the drip irrigation. Then added the posts with the twine to help support the plants. You can see some of the drip irrigation individually goes to each grow bag. And yeah, it is growing. And the peppers are really starting to develop. So let's take a walk through. We'll just kind of walk row by row. I'm not going to point out every single plant because there's just so many. But I'll highlight some of the cool looking ones. This one stands out because it's right here in my face. And what a gnarly looking pepper. Doesn't that just look mean and hot and crazy? Looks pretty cool. And then right beside it, we've got this plant really starting to pop off with lots of pods, lots of peppers going on in here. Just kind of moving right along. These are pretty tall. It's got to be 5 feet tall there. Yeah, different types of Superhots. Most of them have peppers, and a lot of them are still flowering, and some of them, doing both. Most of them are still green, but some are developing color. Cool, I got my first white pepper here. Almost. Look at the bumps. This guy's pretty tall. You can see some of these got burned from the sun since I pulled them up, the leaves aren't covering them, so the direct sun burned it. Now, I had this pulled up, but it's growing over again. This is a row. You can see the row on the other side. It's just growing over here. Thanks, Sean. I definitely got the pods coming, man. See if I can work my way through here carefully. I might just walk around. Don't want to break anything. So you don't think the burnt ones will be okay? I mean, I know they're burnt, but I figured maybe the rest of the pepper will still develop and still be edible. But I could pull them. What a jungle. Oh yeah, it's a great problem to have. Look at this one, just loaded. It is loaded. We are loading up. This is just so awesome. It's so relaxing to come in here and look at my peppers and my plants. It's really relaxing. It's really peaceful. It's the spicy garden. I'm carefully walking in between the drip irrigation lines. Got some cool colors on these purple peppers. And I'm just going from plant to plant, and man, we are loading up. Loading up. Here's my least spicy pepper, is the Scotch bonnet, which has still got some nice heat to it. These are obviously red Scotch bonnets. This plant's really loaded. Thanks, Charles. I am definitely not opposed to eating one. Man, we are just loaded. I'm just going from plant to plant, and it's just Pepper City. Oh. Look at these babies. You've got the stingers or the tails, big and small, and then some none at all. feel like I could write a Dr. Seuss book about my pepper plants. We're just moving along here, guys. I'm just going plant to plant, and we see peppers, and it is plentiful, very plentiful. They're all in here. They are all in there. Guys, this is just maybe like a third of the way here, and we are loading up. Oh, did not mean to turn that around. I'm going to skip over here, take a look. Now, some of them don't have pods. They're different stages of growth. Starting to turn colors. Isn't this awesome? Look at this. I'm just all in here. Matter of fact, I'll show you what I'm doing right now. Check this out. I am in my garden. Man, this is so cool, guys. I love this. Some more color for you. Here's one that's more obviously purple. Here's one that's white. Every color, which I thought would be cool to have every color, so I was pretty intentional about the variety so we could get different colors. It's a mean looking chocolate. All right, let's keep moving right along here. Working my way through. What a giant pepper. All right. I didn't show you the ahis. I'm definitely missing stuff. I've got so much growing. Just kind of giving a brief run through here. Let's look at the last 2 rows over here. Now, a lot of this stuff doesn't have pods on it down here. And I think it's because it gets less sunlight. That's my theory. Check this out. I'm like 6'3", almost 6'4". This plant has got to be 7 feet. This is how you develop your own training camp. If you want to eat pods, got a lot of these guys growing. You can see more of them on the other side that are already chocolate.